Given the problem, sum of the squares of two consecutive positive even integers is 100. Find those numbers. So consecutive, serial one. So serial two even integers we want to take. That is nothing but even numbers. So we feel let the two consecutive positive even integers are x and x plus 2. Now here given sum of these two numbers squares is nothing but 100. That means by the given problem now we can write x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 100. Now here x square plus x plus 2 whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a is x and b is 2. So a square, that is nothing but x square plus 2ab. So 2 into x into 2. So 2 into x, 2x into 2 is 4x plus b square, that is 2 square. 2 square equal to 4 equal to 100. So x square plus x square equal to 2x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 100. So plus 100 transfer to this side, that is nothing but minus 100. So minus 100 plus 4 is nothing but minus 96. So 2x square plus 4x minus 96 equal to 0. Now here 4x means now 4 can be written as 2 2 ja, 96 can be written as 248 ja, and here 2. So all that 2 is the common number. So that 2 taking common, 2 into x square plus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0. Now multiplication to transfer to that side, that is division. 0 by 2 equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0. So now here required the quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 48 equal to 0. Now find the roots by completing square root method, otherwise factorization method, otherwise quadratic formula we have to use. So here if we apply quadratic formula, now comparing with the general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now here a, that is nothing but x square coefficient, that is 1, b equal to x coefficient, that is 2, and c is constant term, that is minus 48. Now the quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here b equal to 2. So minus 2 plus or minus under root b square, that means 2 whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 48 by 2 into a 1. So minus 2 plus or minus under root 2 square is equal to 4. So 4 once 4, 4 into 48. 4 into 48 is nothing but 192. Minus into minus is nothing but plus by 2. So under root 4 plus 192 is 196. So minus 2 plus or minus under root 196 by 2. Under root 196 is nothing but 14. So minus 2 plus or minus 14 by 2. So now plus or minus 14 means now we can take 2 plus 14 by 2, 2 minus 14 by 2. That means minus 2 minus 14 by 2, minus 2 plus 14 by 2. So 14 minus 2 is nothing but 12. 12 by 2 equal to 6. Minus 2 minus 14 is minus 16. Minus 16 by 2 equal to minus 8. So x values are 6 minus 8. But our to ask positive even number only. So that means we take positive number in that 2 is 6. Okay, so here we have to find the two consecutive positive even integers. Therefore, the two consecutive positive even integers are x plus 2, that equal to 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is nothing but 8. So 6 square equal to 36 and 8 square equal to 64. So sum of 36 plus 64 is nothing but 100. So sum of the squares of that numbers is 100 given. So that will be we get correct. Okay. So here consecutive even integers means x plus 2 take. Similarly, if consecutive odd integers means also we can take x plus 2. Why? Because that to 2, the first number to 2 added means next consecutive even or odd number, that means even or odd number coming. Given the problem, the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So Rahman's present age we want to find. So let Rahman's present age equal to x years. Now 3 years ago his age. So 3 years ago his age equal to, now x to 3 subtracting, that means x minus 3 years. Next 5 years from now his age, that means 5 years after, that is nothing but x plus 5. So 5 years from now his age equal to x plus 5 years. Here given the reciprocal of 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So here these two ages to reciprocal writing. So reciprocal of x minus 3 is nothing but 1 by x minus 3. Next, the reciprocal of x plus 5 is 1 by x plus 5. Now these two reciprocals sum is nothing but 1 by 3 given. So by the given problem, one by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now LHS 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 there. First this one to simplification doing. So here the denominators of these two fractions are x minus 3 into x minus 5. Now finding the LCM of x minus 3 x plus 5, that is nothing but x minus 3 into x plus 5. So multiplying with this numerator 1 into x plus 5 is nothing but x plus 5 plus 1 into x minus 3 is nothing but x minus 3 equal to 1 by 3. Now x into x plus x is nothing but 2x, 5 minus 3, that is nothing but plus 2 by x minus 3 into x plus 5 multiplication doing. So x into x plus 5, that is nothing but x into x is x square plus x into 5 is 5x minus 3 into x plus 5 doing. So minus 3 into x is nothing but minus 3x minus 3 into plus 5 is nothing but minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. So plus 5x minus 3x is nothing but minus plus 2x. So 2x plus 2 by x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now by that cross multiplication, so x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 2. So 3 into 2x is nothing but 6x, 3 into 2 is nothing but 6. So x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 6x plus 6. Now plus 6x plus 6 transfer to this side, minus 6x minus 6. So x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 6x is minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21 equal to 0. Now here the quadratic equation is x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Now solve this one through any three methods: completing square root method, otherwise factorization method, and then by quadratic formula. If we apply the factorization method, then we have to observe x square coefficient is nothing but 1 and the constant term is minus 21. That means 1 into minus 21 is minus 21 and x coefficient is minus 4. So by product any two numbers we get minus 21, by addition we want to get minus 4. That means which two numbers product minus 21, addition is minus 7 coming, means they are nothing but minus 7 plus 3. So minus 7 into plus 3 is nothing but minus 21, minus 7 plus 3 is nothing but minus 4. So now in the place of minus 4x we will write minus 7x plus 3x. So x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. Now here x square means we can write x into x, 7x means 7 into x. So now in this both x is the common one, that x common taken means x minus 7 plus, now 3x means we can write 3 into x, 21 means we can write 3 into 7. That means in this both 3 is the common number. So 3 taking common means x plus into minus is nothing but minus 3 7 ja 21 is equal to 0. Now here both to observe, here we get x minus 7 is the common number. So that x minus 7 common taken means here remained 1 is x and here remained 1 is plus 3. So x minus 7 into x plus 3 equal to 0. That means in this 2 any one of the number is equal to 0. So x minus 7 equal to 0, otherwise x plus 3 equal to 0. If x minus 7 equal to 0, then x equal to 7. If x plus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 3. And here we want to find the Rahman's present age. So the age is nothing but the negative number, that is positive number only. So x equal to 7. Therefore present age of Rahman is 7 years. Given the another problem, the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So here two numbers taking, then one of the number to square doing, another one is 8 times doing, and there the two numbers subtraction is nothing but 180 given. So we feel, let the larger number equal to x. Now here given the square of the smaller number is 8 times to the larger number. So larger number x feeling, then the smaller number is 8 times to the larger number. So x to 8 times, and here it is given square of the number. So by the given problem, now square of large number and 8 times of that numbers difference is 180 given. That means we can write it as x square minus 8x equal to 180. Now this plus 180 is transferred to this side, x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Now here we get the quadratic equation x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Now this one we have to solve in any one 3 of the methods, completing square root method, otherwise principal method, otherwise factorization method. If I solve it through factorization method, here x square coefficient is 1 and the constant term is minus 180. So 1 into minus 180 is nothing but minus 180 and the x coefficient is minus 8. So by product of any two numbers we get minus 180, by addition we want to get minus 8. So which two numbers product is minus 180, addition is minus 8 coming, means minus 10 and plus 8. So minus 10 into plus 8 is nothing but minus 180 minus 10 plus 18, minus 10 plus 18 taken means not coming. So minus 18 plus 10 taken means minus 180 coming, minus 18 plus 10 is nothing but minus 8. So now here in the place of minus 8x we want to take plus 10x minus 18x. So now in the place of minus 8x now writing minus 10x plus 10x minus 18x minus 180 equal to 0. Now here x square means we can write x into x, 10x means x into 10. So now in this both places x common taken means x into x plus 10. Now 18x means we can write 18 into x, minus 180 means we can write minus 18 into plus 10. That means here minus 18 is the common number. So that minus 18 common taken means x minus into minus is nothing but plus 18 10 ja 180. Now here in this form we observed x plus 10 is the common number. So that x plus 10 common taken means here remained 1 is x, here remained 1 is minus 18. So x plus 10 into x minus 18 equal to 0. That means either x plus 10 equal to 0, otherwise x minus 18 equal to 0. If x plus 10 equal to 0, then x equal to 18. If x minus 18 equal to 0, then x equal to 18. If x plus 10 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 10. So we are saying about the two numbers. That purpose we taking x equal to 18 only. So if x equal to 18, that is nothing but larger number. So larger number x equal to 18. So smaller number is 8 times. So 8x, that equal to 8 into 12. 8 into 12 is nothing but, so 8 into 18 here, 8 into 18 is nothing but 144. So now square of smaller number, that means a smaller number coming means this 144, this square of 8 times given, that means under root 144, that is nothing but 12. So the two numbers are 18 and 12. In a class test, the sum of Moulika's marks in mathematics and English is 30. If she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of her marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the two subjects that is given. So here Moulika's marks in maths and English subjects addition is 30 given. So we have to find her marks in maths and English subject. So let Moulika's marks in mathematics equal to x we feeling. Then in English her marks are nothing but y we feel. Here given the sum of Maulika's marks in mathematics and English is nothing but 30. So sum of the marks that are nothing but x plus y equal to 30 given. So now here y equal to we can write plus the x transfer to that side minus x. So she got in English 30 minus x marks. So Maulika's marks in English next here given if she got 2 marks more in mathematics. So that step writing, if she got 2 marks more in mathematics, then her score is x to 2 marks more, that is nothing but x plus 2. Next one given 2 marks more in maths means 3 marks less in English. So if she got 3 marks less in English, then her score is in English she got 30 minus x marks, that to 3 less, that is 30 minus 7 is nothing but 27. So 27 minus x. So her score is now x plus 2, 27 minus x. Now the product of the marks would have been 210. That means x plus 2 into 27 minus x is nothing but 210. So by the given problem, x plus 2 into 27 minus x, that is nothing but 210. Now x plus 2 multiplying with 27 minus x, the LHS. So x into 27 minus x. So x into 27 is nothing but 27x. X into minus x is minus x square. Next plus 2 into 27 minus x. 2 into 27 is 54. 2 into minus x is minus 2x equal to 210. So 27x minus 2x is nothing but 25x minus x square plus 54 is equal to 210. Now these total LHS transferring the RHS. So minus x square is nothing but plus x square, plus 25x is minus 25x, plus 54 is minus 54, plus 210 equal to 0. Now here x square minus 25x. So minus 54 plus 210, it is nothing but my plus 156 equal to 0. Now here we get the quadratic equation x square minus 25x plus 156 equal to 0. Now this one we have to solve. So I am solving through factorization method. Here x square coefficient is 1 and the constant term is 156. So 1 into 156 is nothing but 156. So the x coefficient is minus 25. So by product of any two numbers we get 156, by addition minus 25 we want to get. So that purpose if I taken minus 13 minus 12, minus 13 into minus 12 is nothing but plus 156, minus 13 minus 12 is nothing but minus 25. So now in the place of minus 25x, now I am writing minus 13x minus 12x. So x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 equal to 0. Now x square means we can write x into x, 13x means 13 into x. So now in this both x is the common number, so that x common taken, then x minus 13. Next minus 12x means minus 12 into x, 156 means we can write 12 into 13. So in this both minus 12 is the common one, that minus 12 common taken means x minus into minus plus is nothing but minus 12, 13 ja 156, so x minus 13. Now here both to observe x minus 13 is the common number, so that x minus 13 common taken means now x minus 13 into here remained 1 is x and here remained 1 is minus 12. So x minus 13 into x minus 12 equal to 0. That means either x minus 13 equal to 0, otherwise x minus 12 equal to 0. So if x minus 13 equal to 0, then x equal to 13. If x minus 12 equal to 0, then x equal to 12. So the x values are nothing but 12 and 13. So x means that is nothing but mathematics marks. Therefore Moulika's marks in mathematics equal to 13, otherwise 12. Next, in English her score is 30 minus x. So Moulika's marks in English, that is nothing but 30 minus x, that equal to 30 minus 13, otherwise 30 minus 12. 30 minus 13 is nothing but 17. 30 minus 12 is nothing but 18. So her score in maths is 13, then English 17. In maths 12, then her score in English is 18. So sum of these 13 and 17 is 30, 12 and 18 is also 30. That is only our to given first step. Sum of the scores of maths and English is nothing but 30. So we get the correct solution only.